guys, welcome to Career Guru. Guys, engineering, one of the biggest dream of Indian parents and students. कई बारी बच्चा जब पैदा होता है, the parent says ये IIT में जाएगा. You remember Three Idiots? कितना डिटेल में बात हुई थी इसके ऊपर. So let's try and understand the biggest exam of engineering, JEE. Not only now, even when I was growing up, when I was in school, people used to go bonkers after JEE. मतलब there used to be a कि हम तो JEE वाले हैं और ये दूसरे लोग बाकी स्ट्रीम्स कर रहे हैं या कुछ और कर रहे हैं. So it used to be like that. So guys, JEE becomes one of the most sought after exam, and now you have 4 chances per year. Let's try and understand in detail क्या क्या चल रहा है JEE में. So which universities you get in if you have cracked JEE mains and advanced? Of course IITs, IISc Bangalore, IIST. Couple of others also are through the same exams, some after JEE mains and some after JEE advanced. Guys, you get these are the topmost universities. For example, IISc Bangalore is above most of the IITs also. I mean, it's an amazing research institution. Even Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, for people who are interested in petroleum technology, or even IAPE, you can look out. Of course, NISCR has its own exam called NEST, so I'll speak about it later on. Okay, how many people give the JEE mains exam? Approximately between 11 to 12 lakh people give this exam. How many seats are there? IITs, you would find about approximately 11,000 seats. Total number of seats, if I count state, others, NITs and all good institutions, so about 30,000. So total of about 41,000 seats, I would say. Yeah, so these are like good seats in India. Yeah, of course, if you get IITs, it's all the more better. But if you're getting other state-run institute, like I had friends from NIT Trichy, NIT Surat, Calicut. So these are good NITs. Yeah, even in North India, NIT Kurukshetra is also doing a decent job. Yeah. So last year, JEE had two times the exams happened. So Jan 2019, 9 lakh people appeared. April 2019, 9.35 lakh people appeared. Almost 45% people who had given earlier and they gave it next time improved in the second attempt. Hence, even for this year, we'll devise our own strategy based on our level of preparedness. Yeah. So if I am a student who is not prepared, मैंने JEE का preparation ही नहीं करी, मैं बस 11th करता रहा, 12th मतलब CBSE कर रहा हूँ, and I have not really prepared for JEE, then I can give the attempt maybe 2 or even 3 times. But if I am a student who's prepared, maybe 2 times is fine. If I am a student who's really well prepared, I'm getting very good thing in mock test, I've joined a coaching institute, I've been compared with thousands of children across, और मेरा बिल्कुल अच्छा score आ रहा है, then I would not worry about it. Then I might give JEE only once also. Yeah, but चलो 2 बारी तो मैं कहूँगा ही. Yeah, 2 बारी हम फिर भी कर सकते हैं. But I don't think there's need to fill up JEE for all 4 times. Yeah, let's not do that unless you are a great gambler and you feel कि भाई जितनी ज़्यादा मैं खेलूँगा उतना ज़्यादा मुझे मिल जाएगा. नहीं, वैसा नहीं है. So we have to think accordingly. अच्छा, JEE advanced में करीब 1.2 to 1.3, 1.35 lakh लोग आते हैं. So that is JEE advanced. Also overall percentage selection कितना है? About 4% है अगर मैं IITs और government institute को देख लो. So it is about 4%. Yeah, so 4% है. So when is JEE going to happen? February 23rd to 26th is the first time it will happen. Then March, April, May. Only your best NTA score will be undertaken. मतलब best जो 4 बारी हो रहा है उसमें से किसी ने 4 बारी दिया या 3 बारी दिया या 2 बारी दिया, so उसका एक score निकालेंगे which will be the best score. So that will be taken out. It will be used for your further process. Also this time it will be conducted. The IIT JEE exam will be conducted in regional languages also. तो ये बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है. मतलब lot of people come from diverse backgrounds, so they can compete better if they take their own regional language. हाँ, format wise, old time it used to be 30 MCQs. Now there will be 2 sections. Section A has 20 MCQs. Section B has 10 questions, out of which you are supposed to attempt 5. So that's how the paper has changed. The strategy to clear IIT JEE. IIT JEE, the name is so formidable. मतलब हम इसकी बात सुन के एकदम से मन के अंदर लगता है अरे यार क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा, क्या मेरा उतना लेवल है. Honestly guys, it is not the level or the intelligence. surprisingly अगर intelligence levels देखें ज़्यादातर लोगों के, it is similar. It depends on the kind of work you put in. It depends on your this thing. अगर तुम नहीं कर पा रहे कोई सब्जेक्ट को, जैसे lot of people come and share, सर फिजिक्स में मुझे दिक्कत है. So अगर if you are regularly facing, या कई बार chemistry I'm not liking it so much. So if you are not liking, go on to videos. Khan Academy has some of the best videos on physics, chemistry, maths. Just check it out. Otherwise, like for a specific topic, you can go on to YouTube and search. There are a lot of apps. The government has put up a platform like Swayam. So a lot of these places also have a lot of content related to physics, chemistry, maths, which you need for JEE. लेकिन build up a strong base. Base should be NCERT. मतलब NCERT से start करो. NCERT को मतलब घोट के पी जाओ. हमारे टाइम में कहते थे घोट के पी जाओ. I mean, you have to just imbibe it 100%. Okay. Second thing, go for best reference books. So it might be a Resnick and Halliday. So I'm sure you are in touch with your respective teachers. So check out which are good reference books so that you can build up on it. Try to revise things on a daily basis, particularly things in which you are weaker. Normally for things in which we are weaker, we put it on the last. We don't do it immediately. So for things in which you are weaker, put daily efforts. Week में review करना है. एक बार एक plan बनाओ. Weekly बनाओ. बहुत 3 महीने का plan जरूरत नहीं है. Make a weekly plan. कि first week I'll cover so much. Next week I'll do so much, and then you can build up. Previous year JEE question papers are important. Take up previous years, analyze. मतलब suppose आपने 2 papers करे maths के. Please sit down and focus on that. What are the silly mistakes you made? What kind of questions you are not able to attempt well? Are you taking more time? When you analyze, your own weaknesses will come up, and then you have to fight those weaknesses and make it your strengths, and then you can definitely crack. Also, build up a positive attitude. Guys, while going through JEE, there will be times when you are not able to crack. Maybe one mock paper you have scored abysmal, I mean बिल्कुल dismal result आया उसका, लेकिन उससे हमें हताश नहीं होना. We should not get bogged down by it, and we have to see that no, I'll fight back. I'll work on this topic. Maybe मेरा maths अच्छा नहीं गया, so I'll fight on this. Maybe I didn't do well in physics. So I'll see Khan Academy videos, I'll use mock papers, I'll discuss with my teachers, and then I'll come back and I'll crack the next mock paper. No distractions. Social media really distracts us. Guys, social media, Netflix, दो ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हर समय distract करती रहती हैं. So guys, I would like you to make a plan. In fact, keep half an hour for social media only. Yeah. मतलब तुम दिन में आधा घंटा रख लो कि उस समय, not all the time, because ping anytime there's a noise there, a beep there, you immediately rush to your phone. Don't keep phone close to you, keep it far away, otherwise you'll keep on, maybe enclosed inside an almirah or something. Keep it with you only, inside your room only, but enclosed inside something so that you don't see. While studying, just focus. If you are able to build up your concentration level, you can do 3 times better than a normal average person. So with these points, I wish you all the best, guys. I've just given you a basic change which has happened in JEE. That's all for today, guys. Please keep on checking our other social media. Instagram is career_guru. Check out Facebook, it goes by the name Jatin Chawla only, and of course YouTube. Do subscribe, write in the comment section. You know guys, me and my team, we love career counseling. We love to bring new careers also to people. We love to discuss about it. We love to kind of clear the pathways for the students. I'll be very happy to take on new areas which you want us to do. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon also, so that you are informed whenever our new video is coming. All the best.